Welcome to Florida Jeep Rides. Today we're going to start our adventure at Donut King. So we're going in to get some donuts and then we're hitting the trails. Donut King is north of Claremont on Highway 50. Is this really the best donuts in the world?
Absolutely. He wants that big, giant, Simpson-sized donut.
No, I got donuts.
Yeah, you got it. Great big one that's like, we need a trailer.
That's that sausage thing. Yeah, to carry it.
We got Reese's Donuts, Oreo Donuts, Chocolate Donut Crunch, Fruity Pebbles, Boston Cream, Coconut, Apple, Cinnamon Toast, Candy Covered. We are in Richloam on 471, the north area. We're south of Highway 50. We're on what's called 41. It's a little boggy. There's a little bit of mud, a little bit of water, and we are following a trail that hopefully will take us back out to the flat top. Well, the GoPro just got covered in mud. Watch that little hole.
You guys got some unexpected action on the camera.
There's logs in the middle of that puddle you wear. Well, it's definitely getting more sketchy. What?
I'll take a picture of you. What'd you see? Like a baby rattler.
Here, take this with you.
Come here. Hold on.
Here, take the. Okay.
Let me. edge of the Withlacoochee River. If you look at our GPS, it shows the blue line is the river and the orange line is the trail we're following.
Go through it.
And Jenny. Okay.
You didn't go. I didn't go over far right enough.
See, that's why you gotta pick your line. Picking your line is very important.
What did you say?
Picking your line.
What did you not do?
I did not pick my line.
No, I picked the line, you followed me. So.
What is that thing? It's gonna get you?
Oh yeah, you'll make it. Well, welcome to YouTube.
All right. Here we go. Moving on. Now, what would a trip to Richloam be without a stop at the Richloam General Store and Post Office? This is not too far off 50. Then, I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna shoot a little bit of footage for the drone of the tower. Let's take a look.
But it's really cool that you know that legacy all the way back. That's really cool.
We have letters that his grand.
Well, we're gonna get some honeycomb, a pecan log, some Cajun boiled peanuts, and a field and forest hand guide for the boys.
Boiled peanuts? You want something to drink?
Oh yeah. They got some great sodas over here. Like locally brewed soda. So how long has this store been here
If you have the chip.
originally, this building?
It originally opened in 1922, and it was robbed and nearly burnt to the ground in 1928, and they rebuilt it within a month with this original tin on the walls.
Wow.
It
So
stayed
it's
open
been-
until 1936.
So if you are four-wheeling out in Richloam, you have to come in here, spend some money. Don't just look around. Find that candy that you used to get, or your grandma used to get, or your great-grandma used to get, because yeah, it goes back that far. And support a local business. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There is a it's only they only let you do like overnight unless you get permission from more than that. Sure. Then you can't own the property, and it doesn't cost anything. It costs you $80. $80.
I ain't gonna read that. You can read it yourself.
You
Well, in Richloam, there is a forestry tower, and at one time, a little over a year and a half ago, you could climb up this tower. Well, now the tower is closed off and you can't climb up it anymore. So if you want to see what it would look like up in the tower and see what the views look like, let's go look. How about we send the drone out? Well, there you go. That's what it would look like to climb up that tower and take a look outside. Quite a view. As you can see, it's just woods and woods and woods. This is part of the Withlacoochee National Forest. It is very big, attached to green swamp. The Withlacoochee River runs through it. That's the trails that we've been on and enjoying. But I think at this point, we might head out to our next destination. And it may be somewhere that I've never been. It's that big black snake that was run over on the side of the road. It's called a mud snake.